January 6th, and you guys should have done workbook pages yesterday on review of volcanoes. Today we're going to start a new unit on rock cycle, which most of you should have done in elementary school. The rock cycle is something that you were taught earlier. We're just reviewing it and adding some of the plate tectonic material into that. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that you read the section and do the questions. Now, I say read because you're going to have to read. Today you're going to read about igneous rocks, okay? And then you'll do the workbook pages. Now, let me show you. If you're an in-class learner, you'll just do it in your textbook. If you're at home, you're going to fill in the answer. So you go over here, you look and see where it says this, you would type in the answer there, okay? Now, what you have to do, guys, you're going to be doing igneous rocks today. And just a little review, if you don't remember, there are 3 types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Today you're doing igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are created by lava. It has to be a melted material, which melted material either comes from the core or from volcanoes. And when that stuff solidifies into a rock, that creates what we call igneous rocks. So they come from volcanoes or magma. I'm going to flip it. In your book, igneous rocks, and it goes over here and it talks about, because you can get rocks that form around the magma chamber, like the outside of these rocks right here. This cools off, like the volcano dies. This can create igneous rocks. Or you get rocks that come out of the volcano. Okay, there are different types of rocks and they create different textures. Some may be smooth, some may be rough. Okay, you have to do the apply it. So it talks about these are minerals found within the igneous rock. Okay, this is somebody's old textbooks. You have to do the assess your understanding, and it goes through here how igneous rocks use. So it talks about the history, what we use igneous rocks for. Obsidian is a cool rock. It's a black rock. It's black and it's not in the picture. The obsidian is an igneous rocks that come from volcanoes, but it's also called black glass because it literally is it's as smooth as glass and it can be sharp as glass. So an igneous rock called obsidian is a really cool rock. I don't have some sitting in front of me, but we have some here at school. So if you come back to school, we'll look at some of those rocks, okay? But today you're doing the workbook pages on igneous, all right? See you tomorrow.